India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
Ram SETU we are working. Actually, we have conducted one field trip in Ram SETU. In fact, two field trips now we have conducted. And we have done already geophysical survey. So what we are next round, we have with this geophysical survey, we have tried to locate the location where it could be, and there we are going, because right now everywhere sand is there, it is submerged with sand thing. So what we are going to do, that we will take drilling project in that area, collect the samples, and then once the samples we get from those areas, or from bridge part or something, more result will come, and then we'll be able to tell something about that. So next 2 years we'll be able to do that. See, sea level is increasing, there is no doubt about that. Particularly what has happened, the global warming, everybody is aware of global warming, temperature is going up, and particularly in Indian Ocean, if you see Pacific and Atlantic, they are pole to pole. But Indian Ocean, we have low latitude land boundary, because north it is not going up to pole. So ocean circulation is not very fast, it is sluggish. So heating in this part is more. So per decade it is heating by about say 1.15 or 16 degrees centigrade, whereas other ocean they are heating by 0.1 or something like that. So if it continues like that, many of the coastal areas will be submerged. Particularly it will be danger for Bangladesh and east and west for Goa, so part of that. A lot of Bombay part will be submerged, but it means it will not immediately it is going to happen. But some threat is there.